So this video, it's more a frustration video. I use Tmux-Resurrect for all my sessions with Tmux. And I am not the only one. Like, there are at least 12,000 people who do the same. And if you are using it, did you ever oversaved your resurrection session? I show you. Like, exit my Tmux, and I go into like kill server. Okay, so when I go to Tmux for the first time, and if for my stupidity, obviously, I just go and save this session like this, obviously all of my previously saved sessions are gone. And yeah, you don't know, so many times I lost it and have to redo it like from scratch until I found a solution. The Tmux-Resurrect have a backup, but each time I cannot find it. Like, today I spent like half an hour searching for the freaking file path where it was saved. So now I want to like record this video and as a reminder for myself to where to find it. Okay, go. So, okay. First of all, how we can find this restoration file? If we go to the Tmux and you have plugins, we can see we have some plugins here, and in the Tmux-Resurrect, if you please, what I am doing, cd Tmux-Resurrect. Okay, great, fabulous. Let's open NeoVim in that folder. Okay, great. Now, if you don't know where to search for the Tmux-Resurrect backups, and if you're watching this video, maybe like as me, you don't know, you can actually go to the I already lost it. Where? Yeah, here. Yes. So if you go to the Tmux Resurrection plugin and go to the scripts, okay, and go to helpers, you can see this little path. This like this location here, you know, I can zoom it a lot here so we can like all see this little path. Okay, now if we just go to home, local, that local, and share, and go to the Tmux and list it, we have cd resurrect, great, and in this mess we do have all of our saves, so previously saved session, so that we can use to restore our like correct behavior for all our sessions. And what we need to do, we need to just take some previous, yeah, you see, today I was saving it a lot, like much. We just need to go here and move basically our last real saved session, so is this one, like this, yeah, like this, to the last, okay, like this. Now, even if before, you know, you remember we saved, so we oversaved our session file, if now I'm going to restore it, it will restore it properly. So yeah, now you know, and me, I can remember this, how to restore your Tmux session, your Tmux Tmux-Resurrect. Now you know how to restore your Tmux-Resurrect sessions.